Welcome to Topics in Radiography. My name is Jeremy Enfinger, and if you are a radiography student, or maybe you recently graduated and you're prepping for your ART registry exam, you're in the right place. I have had this YouTube channel around a while, but I'm going to be hyper-focusing on students going forward. And by that, I mean I have specific topics I'd like to discuss. I'm going to be doing more of a vlogging style content going forward, but I truly hope that you can like and subscribe if this information is going to be useful for you. A little bit about me. I've been a tech since 2000, and I'm currently a manager overseeing a float pool here in San Diego, California, and I teach adjunct. I've got over 20 years of teaching experience. I've worked in multiple modalities. It's something I love to do. And now that I'm done with my master's degree, which was just done a couple weeks back, I'm looking to branch out and kind of expand my knowledge into a format that's basically going to be shared with you to benefit you all. We need to be recruiting into this field, and we need good people. I'm hoping to get videos out at least weekly, if not every other week. If you have something that you'd like to hear about, feel free to let me know. If that resonates with you, then I hope you click the bell, and I look forward to interacting with you soon.